Check this, folks. Look what I've made. It's a really cool piece of silver. Look at that for a design. The last drop. I'm going to show you how I took a piece of plastic. Here she is on plastic and turned it into silver. Now, first up, we use this bad boy. As you can see here, this is a 3D printer. Let me take you off. And this is the plastic we use. It's some Hyper Series PLA. As you can see, it's just plastic, a lump of plastic made into a string. And it comes down here and it comes in here. Now, this is what's called this little bit down here. That little bit there is called the hot end. And what happens, the plastic spurts out onto there, from out of there onto here, which is the warm bed, and it slides backwards and forwards. That goes left and right. And then what happens is we get left with this. This gets printed up. And then we transmute this. That's a posh word, isn't it? We basically transform that into silver. Now I'm going to go and show you and take you how I do that. So come with me. It requires us going outside. So we come out here. My word, it's windy. But here we go. Oh man, it's blowing a gale. So we take the plastic, which I've now left inside, and we come in here. And that's the furnace. But what we do first, here you'll see the remains of one. We take that plastic and we use a bucket of sand. There's our bucket of sand. And basically, I just make a mould. You can see somewhere, let me grab that one. As you can see, this one is one I haven't poured. But basically, I make an impression with that little circular piece of plastic in the sand. And then we pour silver in and fill it up. So if you can see, this is a little round one that I've tried. And that goes on top of there. The silver gets poured in, but obviously we have to put it in the furnace and heat it up. That's the furnace. It goes in there, does its job. We then use these tongs to pour it in. And then once it's all poured in, crack the flask. Hopefully it's come out cool. Then we take it across to that, which is the quench pot. And that cools it all down. You'll see some bits of silver in there underneath the surface. And then once we've done that, we just tidy it all up with the various tools. And you're left with this. How cool is that? And as I say, this design's called the last drop. I'm going to actually do... Oh, and another thing, if you check the back there, it's actually all been hallmarked up by the Birmingham Assay Office. So that assures that this is solid silver. And it's come out really cool. And I'm going to be making this in a big 4-piece panel soon. Just love that design. So that's how I take plastic and turn it into that.